When Ninjaman put on his English accent, you know see a trouble. Watch this.
Just a word with you, please.
So what you want?
You see, I'm here to see Caesar, is what I'm saying. I'm from England. I've done some business with him in England, and I'm here to finish up with him now, is what I'm saying.
Him not there right now.
Well, he said I could wait inside until he's back because he'll be back later on.
All right.
Thanks a lot. Yo. We change my blood clot mind. Sit down. Sit down. Your boss, Rabbi, and I come to collect. Go down.
Ninjaman go people here go thief mango, and this is the result. The man just funny without even trying. Watch this.
Wait, I'm can't laugh it and go up there.
You seen socks? If I see you come for boss, if you thief the man mango, I don't know what to tell you say.
When you come to thief, if you are run, the people them to see you like a hybrid citizen. They mustn't see you look like a thief. Because when you're running, people will join up and run you down, and angry mob never get tired, so then we hold you. So when you run like the people. It look bad. For me, got end up now. For TV, people are run me down for receive me some mango and catch me. It's not going to work. So when they make off of me, we shot 2 Mega Man and mix up with the crowd. And daddy.
Why I don't know?
Well, that's something. Yeah. We need some back heels, some other nice one, man. Foundation.
When I tell you, Ninjaman is the skillest, the most talented artist Jamaica ever seen when it comes to building a lyrics or a song on the spot. Watch this here.
Skills to the test. Here's how it works. Each host has a secret item in their bag. When this item is revealed, you will have to come up with a verse which includes the mystery item. We'll start with Danique. You ready? All right, Danique, what's in your bag?
Hi, Ninja.
How are that?
It's a teddy bear.
Call me darling, give her one teddy beer. Then me go out and drink a red stripe beer. And if you disrespect, I said, get out of here.
Wicked. All right, Gianna, the next item, please.
I have a razor.
Okay. Sharp like a knife, baby figure cut. Take me razor and bust out your head cap.
Oh,
so then get to know so that me well serious. If you is a barber, don't ease it up. Grab the ear from me face, me have to shave it up. Get me razor and then me just clean that up smooth like a baby bottom. So then say be squeeze up.
Mad.
Very good.
Ready for my Ninja?
Listen to me. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Move piano no with your tin a bully beef.
Hey.
Them they same thing bad man a heat. Man a no robber, man a no thief. Me a no Indian, me a no chief. Give me oxtail, don't give me bully beef.
Sorry.
The following clip is not Ninjaman, it's brother Desmond speaking to us. Watch this.
You have to show God more appreciation. And not even Christians alone, but people in a whole, we get up every day and give God thanks and praise and give him that respect there. If you know say he make you live to see another day. Because every night you go to your bed and you go sleep, you don't know what is happening while you're sleeping. And that man rise you from your sleep every morning and make you live to see another day. You have to give him thanks and praise. Him give you food to eat, drinks to drink. Everything when it's not this world where man achieve is God give him. The devil can't give you nothing. And me can tell you that. So the man them fit start give God thanks and praise and give him respect. You understand? So my best time in my life is when I becomes brother Desmond. Now when I become a Christian, because I'm never ever a Christian. He's a man of God and a child of the Father.
True.
Be a man of God or a woman of God. Hope you enjoy the video. Bless up.